Hello, what's up? I'm Kelvin representing Architect Tip, and today I will tell you about latency and not late entry. You see, today many computer users complicate the meaning and definition between latency and speed. What the heck is latency? Latency is the gap between when you lay a command and when acknowledgement of that command gets to you. For example, someone in USA is actually calling someone in Nigeria, and the person kind of saying, "Hello, what's up? I want to know the weather in Nigeria." You know, it takes time for the person in Nigeria to actually get what the person in USA is saying. Have you ever tried watching a movie or when the person have to wait before the person reply? That point at which this one finish and this one starting up the answer is latency. In computer times, you can double click at that point where you double click something for you to open up a program. That point when you actually double click for it to open, and the point when it's open up to you is latency. Latency is different from speed. Latency is measured in milliamps per second. Latency in real life communication, let's say for example you really have to make a WhatsApp call, your latency have to be very low, because if the latency of that website is high, having a kind of real life conversation will be very tedious for you, because the person will like say hello, hi. It takes time for the person here to actually get what he or she here is saying, and the person here might just think maybe the person here is snobbing. It's not snobbing, it's the time between when your command is being placed and when you actually get acknowledgement. That is latency. If you really want to calculate to check the latency you're using in your system or in your phone, all you really want to do is to open up your browser, then type what is my IP address. You will get a reply giving you your IP address. Your IP address, we'll call it internet protocol, and in our next class I will tell you about internet protocol. But in this class, after bringing in your internet, it will bring up your details, your IP address, your default gateway, a lot of things, DNS server, and you also want to see your latency. Behind it, you're going to see the latency you're using. That is the milliseconds latency you're using. Then you will know if your real life communication will be very good or will it be so tedious. But remember, latency is the time between when you send a command and when that acknowledgement of the command you sent gets to you. Latency also apply in real life. For example, you're actually looking at something for the very first time, and your brain will be like, yes, I've seen this stuff before, but you really don't get the name. That point when you saw that thing and when you actually remembered what the thing is, that is latency. So latency happen in everyday world. Latency happen in everyday world. So I believe you understand what latency is. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, comment on the box below. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to share. Above all, subscribe. I'm still Calvin representing Architect Tip.